So today we're gonna be making pizza.
This will make 4
Okay.
10 to 12 inch pizzas. You need 600 grams of flour, 6 grams of yeast, 480 grams of water. It looks like you're doing pour over coffee. Wow, look at this. Good? That's very good, excellent. We're gonna put this to the side
All right.
for about 30 minutes. 2 teaspoons of salt, keep folding, folding.
Our pizza dough has really good greens in it too. The Blueberry Durham flour, white Sonora, and probably Rouge de Bordeaux.
When you use these heirloom grains, we come to the party with flavor.
Yeah.
We'll set that aside. One more time, just knead it. Really get it mixed up. Ooh,
Yeah.
that feels so good. Okay,
Yeah, it
do
has
that.
a few lumps in it.
Throw it back in here. A couple hours of fermentation. And then in the meantime, this is what it looks like. I made this dough this morning at 9 o'clock. It's 2 o'clock now.
Yeah.
Throw a little dab of flour right here. Fold that into a bowl.
It's really nice and fluffy.
Isn't it?
So 977 grams.
Divide it by 4.
Can I get my calculator?
Okay. She's got a master's degree in engineering.
245. I think my kids are better at math than me.
Oh, perfect.
Perfect.
You want to develop some surface tension on these, and I'll explain why that's important, but you're just going to pull these over, and you can see as I do this, the outside of the dough is building up an outer crust. Not bad for just making it this morning.
Really nice.
I'm not an expert. I'm just a dad and a grandfather that wants to feed his family fun stuff at home. And then, see that? That's my dough ball. This is called Dough Mate.
Okay.
And it's a dough box.
That's really handy.
And this fits in your refrigerator. And by the way, I refrigerated these because I made it last night. So I'm not gonna rip this out, stretch it out of shape. I'm just gonna tip this.
So you're just kind of like gently.
See how I'm stretching it and I'm leaving the cornice on the edge? I want that little thing to poof up for me. I do this on my hands to just give it a little extra stretch. I don't want it to stick to my pan, so I'm putting this real finely ground semolina on here to using it.
Simple, flavorful can of tomatoes.
The nice part of this, you can just use this right out of the can. Just thinly spread it. I try not to go all the way to the edge because it'll drip off and make it all sticky. Now put some of our
shredded mozzarella.
Isn't that beautifully shredded?
And again, I'm gonna do a light touch.
We have 2 kinds of pepperoni.
Okay.
12 o'clock, 6 o'clock.
All right.
9 o'clock, 3 o'clock.
So symmetrical.
I just want to check the temperature of my oven. It's way off the chart. Okay, let's put it in. Now, a very important part of cooking in these ovens, rotate the pizza because my burner's only on the sides there. Okay, let's take that inside.
All right.
Looks good. All right, who wants a piece?